Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Bushra Khan and I am going to teach you biology. This topic is of grade 9th, taken from chapter 4, cells and tissues, and the topic is passage of molecules into and out of the cells. First of all, cell membrane acts as a barrier to most molecules and is called semi-permeable membranes. Means cell membrane is the outermost layer of animal cell, and this membrane acts as barrier. How it acts as barrier? It allows certain materials to pass through the cell. It contains small molecules or small pores inside the membrane so that it acts as semi-permeable membrane. Now, what is the benefit of this cell membrane? This cell membrane is actually maintain equilibrium. Equilibrium means stability inside the cell, so that as well as outside, so that by exchanging matter with cells and environment, that it allows those materials only which are needed by the cell and excrete those material that are waste products for cell. Now we have diffusion. Diffusion actually is the movement of molecules from an area of high concentration to the area of low concentration, that is actually called along the concentration gradient. Whenever movement of molecule is done by the process of diffusion, it is done from the area of higher concentration where the amount of molecules or concentration is higher. It is moved towards the area of low concentration. We take explanation the movement of molecules of any substance. That substance has solid, liquid or gas are in motion state when that substance molecule is about 0 degrees Kelvin or minus 273 degrees centigrade. These are the scales of temperature, and when the movement of molecules are done, these are at this temperature. In a substance, majority of molecules move from high to lower concentration, but exceptions are there, and in some cases movement of molecules are done from low to high concentration too. The overall net movement is thus from high to low concentration, and eventually the molecule reaches a state of stability or equilibrium when they are distributed equally through the area. Means when this process is done, process of diffusion occurs, the molecules are equally balanced and distributed from higher to lower concentration area, and as a result equilibrium or stability inside the cell occurs. Then we have importance. These are the important points. First of all, diffusion is one principal method of the movement of substances within the cell and across the cell membrane. Then we have carbon dioxide, glucose and oxygen can cross cell membrane by diffusion. The third benefit or importance of this is that Gaseous exchange in gills present in aquatic animals and lungs present in human beings occurs by this process. The last one is that movement of glucose molecule from small intestine that contain lumen part is into the blood capillaries of villi is another example of diffusion. Then we have passive transport and diffusion. This diffusion process does not involve any expenditure of energy, means energy usage is not involved. So, this type of diffusion is called passive transport. Then we have facilitated diffusion. In this type of diffusion, we take special types of proteins through which movement of molecules actually done. How it is done? Movement of molecules. Many molecules do not diffuse freely across the cell membrane, means they cannot easily pass through cell membrane. क्यों नहीं पास हो सकते? बिकॉज ऑफ देयर साइज एंड चार्ज. दे हैव लार्ज साइज और charge. Such molecules are taken into and out of the cells with the help of transport proteins. ऐसे टाइप के मॉलिक्यूल्स जिनका साइज़ या चार्ज जो है वो डिफ़र करता है, उन वो किसकी हेल्प से मूव करते हैं अक्रॉस द सेल मेम्ब्रेन? They can easily move with the help of transport proteins. These are special types of proteins. And a transport protein involves a substance from high area to low concentration. The process is actually called facilitated diffusion. Facilitate with the help of transport proteins. The rate of facilitated diffusion is higher than simple diffusion. It is much easier, so the rate is much faster of this type of diffusion than the simple.